So this is the fuselage for the Micro Gentle Lady, and as you can see currently it's just taped on the bottom, a little hook. So if I just go through very quickly how to make one. So I've just drawn on this piece of paper the two views. So this is the view as if from the side. The wire is flat along the bottom of the fuselage, goes down at a right angle, but this bit of the hook is at a slight slant. You don't want it too much. It just makes it that little bit easier for the tow line just to slip off the hook. Alright, now this is the view as if you're looking at the base of the fuselage. Alright, so to keep the hook steady, what you want is to then have a right angle bend and then another right angle bend, and then it will just sit steady and flat on the bottom of the fuselage. Alright, I'm just going to very quickly make one up. This one was made up with the push rod wire left over from the build of the model. I've just got another bit of piano wire which is a little bit thicker, which hopefully will be easier to see. So I'm just going to start off with that slanted bit of hook. So it's only about a centimetre, so I'm not going to quite go a right angle. So you might be able to just see there's a bit of a slant there, it's only slightly. And then the next bend is actually a right angle. Okay, so you can see we've got this bit now of the hook. Alright, so what you want to do is turn it 90 degrees, because what we want to now do is bend the base of it. So just a 90-degree bend like that, and another 90-degree bend like that. I'm going to cut that. And there it is, a nice little tow hook ready to position on your little micro glider. Now what I've done with mine is I've just used a little piece of 1/32 ply just to go over the top of that, so when that's on the base of your fuselage, and then just tape over it. There's hardly any tension, so it's not going to come off. Use a strong tape, but then just tape that to your the base of your fuselage. So as regards positioning your hook, this one, the last flights I did with this, which worked quite well, is that the front of the hook is actually 5mm behind this former here. So the back of the former, not the front of the former, just at the rear of it. If you position it so it's 5mm back, that's not a bad starting point. Now when it comes to the actual launching of the glider, I thought this little illustration on the back of a box for a high start for 3-meter type gliders really illustrates nicely what we're after. So with the launch, what you're after is getting the little glider to kite up effectively, and then just keep on the line as long as possible, almost to the vertical if possible, and then it unhooks. Now with the positioning of the hook, if you find the starting point, you find that your glider is just basically just shooting forward more, and that basically means the hook's too far forward for you. So just move the hook back about 1mm at a time until you get to a point where you find that the glider does kite up and creates this sort of arc. So that's what you're after really, and that's when you get the good launches. I'm just going to show you a couple of little video clips. Here you see I have a streamer. Now those are really useful because it's important that you launch directly into the wind. You don't want the wind pushing the glider one way or the other. Alright, so have a streamer, and that's just a little bit of ribbon, and that's perfectly adequate. And just keep referring to it before each launch, because I find that the wind can change from launch to launch. Now in this video clip, this is with my Merlin. You'll see here I've just picked up on the tension, and then just take a number of steps. So once you find that bit of tension, then take a number of steps. Now I suggest at first only go back about 6 paces and just see what the launch is like first of all, and then you may find, okay, I can take a few more paces, but just do it 1 or 2 at a time until you find the right amount of tension. Don't fall into the trap of thinking lots of tension equals a good launch, because all you'll find is it will shoot the glider forward more. Now here, hopefully you can see this, that when I do the launch, you see the glider's actually over my head, and you just tilt the nose up a little bit and launch upwards a little bit. What that does is it presents the underside of the wing to the breeze, and it's that will help it kite up. If you imagine you're flying a kite, it's very similar. The little glider will just kite up. I think that's it. If there's any questions you have, by all means ask in the comments. The main thing is just have a bit of fun with it.